Welcome to 3800 Plowden Road, apartment D4. This is a two-story, two-bedroom, one-bath, townhome-style apartment in the Rosewood area of Columbia, convenient to I-26 and I-77, downtown Columbia, University of South Carolina, and Williams-Brice Stadium, as well as Fort Jackson. We're out front. You have a covered front entry out here. There's open parking in the lot out here. And then as we step inside, you will notice the updated luxury vinyl plank hardwood look flooring that's in the foyer here as you enter, as well as the kitchen and dining area, and upstairs in the bathroom also. So you have so you can see the second level goes up there, but right off the entry you have the kitchen. It's all open to the living space there as well. So included in the kitchen you do have a smooth top electric stove and a refrigerator. Decent cabinet space as you can see. And then the kitchen is open out to the dining area. And then on this side you have your laundry closet, sort of tucked underneath the stairs. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections in there. And the living room has a ceiling fan. It's carpeted, and there's a sliding glass door out to the rear area. So you have a covered patio back here. It sort of backs out into some common area along the back, and then you also do have a storage room attached also. And the bedrooms and the full bath that they share are upstairs. So you have carpeting going up from here that goes into the two bedrooms, and you have the other flooring in the hall bath. So this room is at the back of the unit. This one does have two closets. You can see on the right and left there. Window looking out back. And you have a ceiling fan in both bedrooms as well. And then here you have a full bathroom. So you have a single vanity, commode, shower and tub. You can see the sink there. There's also a linen closet, which is a nice size here in the hallway, as well as an attic pull down. There may be some storage up there as well. And then last but not least, the second bedroom, and this one just has one closet, and it's here in the corner of the room. So that completes our tour of this home. Address again here is 3800 Plowden Road, apartment D4. You can find out more information on this property by visiting turnerproperties.com.